6 ways to clear your constipation and unclog your colon. Constipation is an issue where your body isn't digesting and eliminating waste fast enough. This can cause you to have dry, hard lumps in your stool which are difficult to pass. Also, having less than 3 bowel movements per week may indicate constipation, and there may also be a feeling of fullness, like you can't fully empty your bowels after trying to use the toilet. Now, it's very important to get your bowels moving if you are constipated, as the food waste that's inside your colon can start to build up, causing inflammation in the intestines, which can lead to infections, diverticulitis, hemorrhoids, which is swollen veins in the rectum, and it can also damage your pelvic floor muscles from straining too hard when you're using the toilet. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 6 ways to clear out this waste from your colon and eliminate constipation by fixing the root causes of the problems. Number 1 is very powerful for treating constipation naturally: bile acids. Bile is a very important liquid made by your liver and gallbladder, which helps to lubricate your colon, help you to digest fats, and absorb nutrients from your food. Unfortunately, many people are deficient in bile because they have a slow or sluggish gallbladder, or they have a fatty liver because they're overweight. This causes your bile to get thicker, leading to a buildup of dry feces in your colon that's not lubricated properly, making it very difficult to pass. To overcome this, you can take a supplement containing conjugated bile acids in the morning on an empty stomach and again when you eat a meal. Bile supplements have different names such as ox bile extract, bile acid factors, purified bile salts, and you can also find this in digestive enzyme blends, so you'll have to read the labels, and I'll also put some links down below. Taking bile in the morning before you eat anything helps to mobilize the feces and stool in your colon by lubricating the entire system. The second remedy is very simple, but it often works for quick constipation relief: water and sea salt. Many people are just dehydrated because they simply don't drink enough water or eat enough electrolytes, which can dry out the colon, causing constipation. So drink 1 pint of water with 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt in the morning to quickly refresh the digestive system and bring up your fluid levels. If you're finding this information helpful at all, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Number 3 is for your friendly microbes: prebiotic fiber. If you have constipation quite often, you may have an imbalance in the bacteria that lives inside your gut. There are actually over 100 trillion friendly bacteria living in your intestines that help to digest your food, break it down, and eliminate it from the body. However, if you eat lots of refined grains and sugars like bread, cakes, sweets, biscuits, and cereals, these can actually weaken the balance and make your microbes less diverse. So to build these back up, start eating foods that are rich in soluble fiber like chia seeds, avocados, guacamole, hummus, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, pecan nuts, sauerkraut, other fermented vegetables, and lots of salad leaves. Your friendly microbes will eat the soluble fiber from these foods, which makes them stronger and helps to support your digestion and move waste through your colon. Next up is a classic remedy for constipation: apple cider vinegar. If you often suffer from acid reflux, GERD, indigestion, regurgitation, or heartburn, along with your constipation, this is usually a sign of stomach acid problems. Most commonly, the important stomach acids become too alkaline, which makes them weaker and they're less able to digest and break down your food at the stomach level. Now we're going to explore a few simple stretches that you can do at home to stimulate a bowel movement very quickly. Firstly, we have the half spinal twist. Start by sitting down on the floor on a mat, carpet, or towel so you're very comfortable. Bend the left leg and place your left foot on the ground over your right knee. Now bend your right knee and tuck your right foot near your butt. Place your right elbow near your left knee and gently twist your body, looking over your left shoulder. Breathe very deeply, hold for a moment, and then switch sides and repeat the exercise. This gentle twisting action helps to increase blood flow and gently stretch the abdominal muscles to encourage stools to move through your digestive system. Number 2 is the wind relieving pose. Lie on your back and gently pull your knees towards your chest. Place your hands around your shins, tucking your chin in whilst pressing your lower back onto the floor. Hold this pose and breathe deeply for 10 seconds, release and then repeat it 5 times. This particular pose can help relieve pain and pressure caused by a buildup of waste and gas. And the third stretch is called the supine spinal twist, and it also helps to get things moving. So lie flat on your back, bring your arms out to the side in a T position with your palms down against the ground. Bend one leg at the knee, and whilst you're keeping your shoulders flat, gently let the bent leg drop over the other leg. Hold this pose and breathe deeply for 10 seconds. Release and then repeat on the opposite side 10 times each. Again, this pose will help to bring blood and oxygen to the muscles in your digestive tract in order to speed up the bowel movement. Often people find that they need to use the toilet after performing some of these simple stretches. Now, if you'd like to learn more about supporting your gut and microbiome, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.